Let's make some noodles. The ingredients will be in the description box. Add in all the ingredients into a bowl. Pour in the sizzling hot oil and mix well. You can use any clear soup of your choice. Then add the noodles. In goes the vegetables which I seasoned with salt and pepper. You can use any meat of your choice. And then last but not least, the egg. I really enjoyed eating this goodness and hope you will try it out as well. Thanks for watching. I tried making chili oil noodles. First of all, add the dry chili, sugar, salt or seasoning, garlic, then pour the hot oil on it. Oyster sauce and soy sauce. Mix. Chili oil is ready. In goes the noodles. Joy. Let's make a spicy, zesty, and orangey noodles. Start by adding chili flakes, orange zest, sugar, noodles seasoning, onion, chili sauce, garlic. Then pour in the hot oil. Mix. Then the cooked noodles. Mix again. Orange juice. And last but not least the fried egg and enjoy. I tried making peanut butter noodles. Add peanut butter. I'm using crunchy PB for a little crunch. Garlic chili oil. Black vinegar plus dark soy sauce. I also added water. Mix. Oh, I almost forgot the salt. Mix again. It's so dark. Then in goes the noodles. Honestly, it was kinda good, but it needs a little bit more flavor to it. But I finished the whole bowl anyway. Maybe I'll adjust the flavors next time.